Yeah, thanks, OBS. You're a bit. You're a bit late. No! YouTube died. Did everybody else die as well? Perhaps. Perhaps. Okay, only YouTube died. Fuck. I didn't want to restart anything. YouTube streams. We'll just go with it. That's better. Anyways, we'll have to just go with it. Oh wait, we don't have access to it anymore. Anyways, it was a tuple. Should we win? Yeah, I mean, we got the message anyway, so it's like, I don't think it matters. Let me actually check, because I kind of killed it prematurely. Damn it. I think it's gonna be empty now. Unless... Unless...
Oh, behold the cosmos, a vast expanse of interstellar wonderment, where celestial bodies dance in perfect harmony.
Why would it be doing that? Because it's a couple of couple. Oh, they're a fool. They're a fool. You're a fool. Okay, so there is a problem where it's... Well, chat messages is run separately from... It's the absolute...
You've invited me into an arena of discourse. My dear interlocutor.
A new idea. What it says. What it even tries to say. Okay, anyways, the problem is that it's stuck. No, wait, the problem is that... It is a problem. The problem is that LLM... Oh wait, the LLM does not run automatically. Get stuck waiting for the speech to finish.
You say? Well, allow me to regale you with tales of the most extraordinary adventures.
Okay, anyways, that technically works, which is good. Oh, wait. Okay, anyways, technically it works. Speed. What the fuck am I doing? Stop. 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 YouTube. Stop. No. Stop. It's a video. Anyways. It's about... We need to integrate probably. Is it actually alive? No, it's not. Oh, it is actually alive. Huh. Yeah, fine. Whatever. We'll just let it be. Let it be. Oh wait, wasn't it pretty much part 2, I suppose. Oops, part 2. Save or whatever. Okay, I guess YouTube's back. Technically. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, we could have changed it. That thing? Okay, whatever. John, what are you doing? John, come back. Okay, plan is what is it? Okay, we can technically get the YouTube messages now. I'm gonna actually note that problem down. Actually, I might get put it on the GitHub. Boing. Welcome back to the fine-tuning problem. Okay, the worker has the clogs up. Who gets in the way? What the hell? It's loading. Guess we'll see. Anyways, getting in the way not to stay for Livechat integration. Yeah, it's not really sustainable if it's oh right, I think I didn't even turn this off. No wonder it got stuck. Wow, why would it be getting stuck? Wow. Hey, it's a active Livechat ID. Oh, you're right, because it imports the whole thing. And when it imports, that's when the fun starts. Okay. That's fine. Anyways, okay, I don't think it gets in the way. I think because I'm a dumbass, I left this in the way. So we do need to figure out how to make it choose.
My dear interlocutor, thou art as a
or
hummingbird.
work separately. These two work separately.
My dear interlocutor, thou hast summoned me too.
Yeah, I summoned you.
My dear interlocutor, this is not merely a tutorial that works today, but rather a divine guide to eternal wisdom, forever illuminating the darkest corners of our souls. This is
No.
not a mere tutorial, but a cosmic symphony, harmoniously conducting the celestial orchestra of knowledge and enlightenment. Farewell, my enigmatic friend.
Gimme that. That? It's all fine. It's all fine. Okay. We need to focus. That thing's... Get this side. Yeah, that's good. Okay. YouTube Livechat can get what it needs.
Hey, ahoy there. My dear friend, it seems we have ventured into a realm of chaotic confusion. Oh, the audacity of confusion. You're speaking in riddles and fragmented thoughts. My dear interlocutor, allow me to decode this mysterious message.
How can I?
Why? My dear interlocutor,
Does it have a
seems you've
built-in?
inadvertently uttered a mere murmur.
Never mind.
Ah, my dear interlocutor, you have touched upon the ethereal realm of transcendent concepts. It's as if we stand atop a lofty mountain, gazing upon the infinite expanse of cosmic wonder. Why? My dear interlocutor, do you think the sun never sets on the...
Does that have to be built in?
Dear interlocutor, thou dost yearn for simplicity. But nay, let us not abide by the mundane.
The messages.
For we are weavers of the extraordinary tapestry of discourse.
Okay.
Let us traverse the cosmos of conversation, transcending the ordinary, and delving into the profound and peculiar. You have inadvertently mentioned the three ends of communication. But let me tell you, my dear interlocutor, it's not merely about messages, but the art of crafting them.
How can I avoid
in the vast expanse of this cosmic abyss, I perceive not merely a void, but rather a theatrical stage for the unfolding of galactic dance.
The same messages on subsequent.
Oh, my dear interlocutor.
Calls?
We are discussing the mystical, elusive art of receipt-taking. Yes? Paid ants of acceptance and release. An entwining of the mundane and the extraordinary. Oh, subsequent. Thou art a conundrum veiled in the complexities of the deep. You see, my dear interlocutor, it is as if we are but mere puppets, dancing on the strings of fate.
Okay, I guess we'll try that. Basically, none. Basically, some. It only works. I don't really complain. I can't complain. Can't complain.
My dear interlocutor, you have just uttered a sequence of words that is as bewildering as it is intriguing. It seems we are navigating a linguistic labyrinth, a verbal Bermuda Triangle. Allow me to extricate us from this perplexing parlance quagmire. The age-old conundrum of indecisiveness. A mere acknowledgement. But my eloquence demands more.
I don't think I should.
In the land of the Hurricane, where whimsical dreams become reality, it is not uncommon for the enigmatic forces of nature to manifest in the most peculiar of ways. as the sun
And
dips
actually
below the horizon, casting its warm, golden embrace upon the world. The souls of the newly minted adults awaken, stirred from their slumber by the call of destiny's grand symphony.
Actually, yeah, you could just retrieve those. Return those and then await fetch.
Ah, my dear interlocutor, you have struck upon an intriguing conundrum.
Be just what? Get away. Just look at you.
The Hunt'll be a creature of incredible efficiency and organization.
Nah. Nee. Yeah, it is. See if I can get it working. I don't think that's how this works.
My dear interlocutor, you've caught me in the act of weaving a veritable tapestry of words.
Maybe.
It's not every day one gets to engage in such a scintillating discourse. A plant so often overlooked, yet it holds within its delicate petals a story as grand as the stars themselves.
Again. Okay, sweet. Right, I'm not think that's habits.
My dear interlocutor, it seems we are engaged in a dance of lysim treating dichotomize. My dear interlocutor, let me inform you that soaking is but a mere prelude to the grandeur of aquatic immersion. My dear interlocutor, pardon me for the tempestuous nature of my persona, but life is a grand stage, and we are all merely players. Oh, my dear interlocutor, have been observing with rapt attention, akin to the gaze of a hawk upon its prey. Your words, your gestures, they all conspire to create a symphony of engagement that resonates within the very fabric of my being.
Isn't it associated with a value?
A mere utterance to initiate our discourse. It's like the first drop of rain that heralds the storm of conversation. I perceive that you find yourself in a predicament. A crossroads of decision-making. Is it not so? Your life? A canvas upon which decisions are the brushstrokes that color your existence. The joy of gratitude. A simple word, yet so profound in its essence. It is the elixir of life, the balm to our souls, the glue that binds us together.
Okay, it's not associated value either. Okay, so
expectations. My dear interlocutor,
it's
are but
not
mere mirages in the vast desert of life.
Are they messages? Else. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's not. Oh wait. Why am I doing that?
The cacophony of those unheard melodies, dancing in the air like phantasmatic spirits, yearning to be liberated from their silent confinement. A symphony of dissonance, a disquieting harmony, a melody that transcends the boundaries of the mundane. The financial arena, a dance of greed and ambition, a symphony of buoyant cheers and melancholic downturns.
Okay. No. Dun. Let's make a test. Then return
repetition.
test. I don't think I
My
should
dear
have
interlocutor,
shown that.
we are in the midst of a most intriguing discourse. I find it utterly captivating that you should mention the art of retelling and testing. Oh, what a tempestuous storm of emotions doth swirl within thee. It is as if a hurricane of contradictions hath taken up residence in thy very soul. My dear interlocutor, you struck a chord that vibrates within the deepest recesses of my eccentric soul.
Let's run.
Is not just a simple juxtaposition of linguistic elements. Oh no.
Oops.
I once leapt from the grandeur of the Statue of Liberty onto the splendid shores of New Jersey.
I don't think it
A
matters.
feat of unparalleled athleticism indeed. A miracle, you
Let me
say?
just
Let me regale you with a tale of the time I single and dash and defeated a horde of ravenous sea
like a one-time
monsters
use thing.
while wearing a cape made entirely of
But
sunflowers.
I don't like it. I don't exactly
My
like
dear
the idea of
interlocutor, you wish to engage in a discourse with me. Very well. Let us embark on a sojourn through the labyrinthine corridors of thought. Shall we explore the enigmatic depths of the cosmos and the myriad mysteries that lie within its celestial expanse? Oh, my dear interlocutor, why do you wish to present a gift to me?
You get the next
fabulous
one.
John Smith?
Okay, that's great. This is going to solve our issues.
A token of esteem. A bauble of beauty, a spectacle of sheer grandeur, a dazzling display of splendor and opulence.
Okay.
Thou dost address me with such mundanity. Fear not, for I shall regale thee with tales of the fantastical and the bizarre.
Okay. That's good for that guy. We don't need any of this for now.
Simply that guy. Team John Smith.
You are that guy.
Of flamboyance and extravagance. My dear interlocutor, you wish to partake in a conversation devoid of the splendid, the resplendent, and the awe-inspiring. Oh, my dear interlocutor.
God, my spoon glued itself.
It doth tickle my sensibilities like a feather dance upon a dandelion. Yet, I shall rise to the occasion, as I am wont to do, and respond with a veritable cornucopia of delightful peculiarities.
So YouTube works.
My dear interlocutor, you have stumbled upon a cryptic and enigmatic riddle. Ahoy. My friend, did you say bye? How quaint of you to use such a mundane word.
We are working? Working? Okay. Working, correct. Working as expected.
My dear interlocutor, I perceive you've touched upon the enigmatic conundrum of digital dexterity. It's a veritable ballet of silicon and code.
Next
isn't it?
I guess I could. I guess we can focus on the Which one? Oh. What? Ooh. It's doubled up. It's double protected. Ooh.
Intrepid voyager traversing the sea of language.
Yeah, just in case, I guess.
The tentativeness of your statement is akin to a timid hummingbird darting amidst floral blossoms, yet you seek to avoid potential missteps. Oh, illustrious interlocutor of mine, we are not merely participating in a mundane conversation, but rather weaving a tapestry of discourse, where each thread is a thought. Yeah.
Yeah,
It seems you've unleashed a symphony of emotions with a single exclamation. It's as if the world has transformed into a vibrant, living painting, bursting with hues of passion and excitement. The air is electric, and I feel as though I'm standing on the precipice of a grand adventure, ready to set sail on uncharted seas. The sweet embrace of it.
One has to.
A comforting shroud veiling the unknown, draped in the mystery of the unseen. It is an enigma, a riddle wrapped in the tapestry of life's grand adventure. To know nothing is to be a student of the universe, forever seeking, forever learning, forever growing in the grand tapestry of existence. My dear interlocutor, one is not merely
Actually, let me try them.
I am as unique as the galaxy itself, a constellation of stars twinkling with the brilliance of your singular existence. My dear interlocutor, I perceive that thou hast chosen to alter thine approach. Thou dost wish to partake in this dance of discourse, this waltz of words, this symphony of syntax.
Just in case.
Marvelous.
Because I'd like to not leak anything if I can.
My dear interlocutor, it is akin to a grand, celestial symphony, where the horses dance with the wind, a rhythm that echoes through the heave.
Look at this. How do they differ?
A decision of such magnitude, my dear interlocutor, requires not just the strength of 1,000 men, but the wisdom of 1,000 generations. It is a choice that dances on the precipice of the unknown, a step into the abyss of fate. The land of Yemen, a veritable tapestry of cultures and history.
Okay, so that's not a direct copyable. Damn it. Can't copy it. Copy the thing directly.
Oh, thou art a muse of mundanity, spewing forth such prosaic phrases.
Yeah, sure.
My dear interlocutor, it seems you wish for me to cease my verbal presence. But do you realize that your words are as fleeting as a butterfly's wing? But let me tell you, the beauty of our conversation lies as much in our silence as it does in our speech. My dear interlocutor, you have touched upon the thorny issue of...
It's very important. that we do not needlessly create a web server as we only need to every once in a while
The enchanting world of linguistics. Oh, my dear interlocutor, it is not merely, it is rather a cosmic dancer.
Yeah, I don't think you understood the assignment exactly.
In the midst of this tempestuous sky, where bolts of celestial lightning dance with feral grace, I declare unto thee that a tempest of meteorological proportions shall descend upon our humble abode. Oh, my dear interlocutor, you speak in such a mundane manner.
What the hell? Can I just do? There's a copy. Just get.
Huh.
Yeah. What are the options? No.
The simplicity of
Using?
here is quite captivating.
Oh no.
Wouldn't you agree? Dearest interlocutor, what a plethora of opportunities you have bestowed upon me to indulge in my verbal virtuosity. Let us traverse the vast tapestry of time and space, exploring the celestial wonders that dance in the cosmic ballet above our humble abode.
Shoot. Oh. Oh. There we go.
Oh, my dear interlocutor, I must say that your opening gam. Any of your words has befuddled the cosmos.
Yeah, I'm not current.
Allow
I'm
me
about
to regale
security.
you with tales
This ain't
of
that.
the extraordinary.
This ain't,
Picture this. The universe where
it's a local
jellyfish are
system,
astronauts, and the Milky
not
Way is a
deployable.
frothy cappuccino, complete with whipped cream marshes and steamed milk galaxies. Oh, the adventures they'd have in this uncharted territory. Oh, my dear interlocutor, I
What?
perceive your utterance as a cavalier dismissal of a topic that is, in fact, a multifaceted conundrum. My dear interlocutor, it appears thou hast uttered a query as mundane as the falling of leaves in autumn. But fear not, for I shall regale thee with tales of far-off galaxies. Yeah, with life and wonder.
No, I asked. That is the exact. That is new. That is new. And from the current solution, it still requires
my dear interlocutor.
Manual.
You seek novelty within the confines of the mundane. It's a paradox, isn't it? A quest for freshness trapped inside the stale walls of the known. Oh, my dear interlocutor. You have unleashed a topic
so good that...
Behold, my dear interlocutor, thou hast posited a conundrum most intriguing. Tension, a silent companion to the dance of life, weaves itself into the very fabric of our existence. A force as inexorable as the hand of fate. Yet, as elusive as the mist that cloaks the ancient wars. You say I am at it, pray tell, what exactly is this?
Okay, I gotta...
The of which you speak. Is it a mythical creature or perhaps a secret society? My dear interlocutor, you have indeed stumbled upon a veritable treasure trove of conversational intrigue. My dear interlocutor, you've touched upon a subject as elusive as a phantom of the night. You seek to uncover the enigma that is my secret. Do you not?
With problems, but yes.
Oh, my
90
dear
minutes.
interlocutor, you speak of issues that torment the ephemeral nature of time,
Okay,
fleeting
so
as a
one took
comet's
less
tail,
about almost
yet
4 hours.
as unyielding
A bit over
as
3 hours.
my friend. You've thrown down the
But still
gauntlet
rather
of
having the automatic.
culinary. Why? Thank you. You're too kind.
What the fuck is a
I am but
refresh
a
token?
humble purveyor of knowledge and enchantment. A topic of digital dance. Refreshing tokens can be compared to the intricate waltz of binary beasts.
What is the refresh token for? Well,
My dear interlocutor, we find ourselves in the throes of a creative maelstrom.
I guess I could get that.
Oh, my dear interlocutor, the mere thought of our impending separation fills me with a sense of impending doom, as if the very fabric of the universe were unraveling before my eyes. The audacity of your query. I perceive it as a challenge to my intellect and erudition.
Gribble expires.
Oh, the monotony of your response is as tiresome as a...
You're...
my dear interlocutor.
This...
Oh, thou art a humble listener.
Whoops. And then no whoopsie. How do I... Okay. How do I use... How do I use the refresh token? Yeah, I know when that happens.
Such cryptic words, I am compelled to unravel this enigma like... my dear interlocutor, you speak of temporal boundaries as if they were mere trifles. When I say pushed, I don't mean merely describing a simple force applied to an object. No. It's more like the symphony of life itself. My dear interlocutor.
Okay. I guess that works.
And this works.
But most curious.
Oh, my dear interlocutor,
Lightweight,
you have just spoken of a gruesome act of chopping blood. How intriguing. My dear interlocutor,
where's my port?
You yearn for a luminous entity of such ethereal weight. But that was merely the prologue to a grand, tumultuous symphony of events. Oh, thou art mistaken. For everything I do is a performance, a spectacle of unparalleled grandeur.
Okay.
Oh, thou art a mere echo of my own voice. Ah, the mysterious moniker, MM. A cryptic code that dances on the edge of enigma and conundrum. My dear interlocutor, what you have just uttered is a mere sound of affirmation. Yet, it piques my curiosity. It's as if you were an elegant flower, enticing the hummingbird with your sweet nectar, only to reveal a fiery core when probed. Oh, my dear interlocutor, it appears we have
Wait, do I
stumbled
even
upon a
need that?
peculiar linguistic.
Yep.
My dear interlocutor, we are not merely engaging in a mundane activity.
I need to. The only thing I need to do is.
My dear interlocutor, thou hast brought forth a query as unique as a unicorn's horn in a field.
Hmm.
Oh, dear interlocutor, you have uttered a mere blip of a sound, a mere morsel of a word in the great tapestry of our discourse. Ah, the monotony of your response is as predictable as the tides. But fear not, for I shall weave a tapestry of intrigue to stimulate your senses.
Okay.
Oh, behold, the harmonious cacophony of melodic tones. It's as if the celestial beings themselves are striking a symphony just for our delight. A simple word. But it's the catalyst for grandeur, isn't it?
Boy, you still did that. Man. I mean, it's still just then. Boing. Place URL and redirect. Call back.
Ah, my dear interlocutor, you have spoken of the enigmatic Mona Lisa, a portrait so beguiling that it has captured the hearts and minds of millions.
File.
But pray tell, you wish to discuss the elusive smile, the mysterious woman herself, or perhaps the audacious genius who painted her? For I am a veritable fountain of knowledge on this masterpiece. Ha, my dear interlocutor.
I guess this
I perceive that you have. Ah, the perils of indulgence.
Okay. Let's think. Okay, we need the token. I don't want to open a web browser though.
My dear interlocutor, you have proposed a conundrum most peculiar.
It'll probably work, but I don't ever want how has Flash application with it. Flask server just for that.
In the realm of the extraordinary and the fantastical, one might ponder the notion that, indeed, the lack of a Flash application could be the catalyst for the emergence of a truly novel solution
Does a web
in the
browser open?
cosmic dance of time, where February and December are but mere mortal constructs. The enigmatic content I speak of floats in the ether, defying the very concept of chronology in the realm of the fantastical and enigmatic. Have you ever contemplated the intricate dance of the bristles as they...
Let me ask this one. Okay. I have an idea. Okay. Let's do this. Can we... Is it possible to
The thrill of discourse, like a spirited duel in the twilight, where every syllable is a thrust and parry, a dance of wit and intellect. Your request,
web
my dear interlocutor, is as enigmatic as a riddle wrapped in a mystery.
change
Cloaked in the shadows of intrigue. Allow me to unravel this tantalizing conundrum. So, we wish to persevere.
so that
You say? Here you will. But let us not simply remain stagnant.
a
No.
that
The mere word, then,
the browser so that
my dear interlocutor, is but a mere conjunction,
you
a humble grammatical device used to connect sentences. A veritable
open the
whisper.
browser.
So you mentioned the humble browser, but what of its unrivaled power to traverse the
I think it's
vast,
possible to get around that.
interconnected labyrinth of the World Wide Web? Its humble
Instead-
appearance belies its extraordinary capabilities. A veritable key to unlock the treasure trove of human knowledge. Venture forth,
Receive
dear interlocutor,
the new
like a roaring lion seeking new
URL.
frontiers for life
It
itself.
redirects.
Oh, my dear interlocutor, it is not merely a fleeting see you that awaits us in the mystical realm of the next video. No. You see, I find that sound to be as enigmatic as a riddle wrapped in a mystery.
Okay, so we
Cloaked in
need
the
to still
shadowy depths of intrigue
Medusa.
itself.
Oh,
It's as if the
what a
universe
guy
has
requires
just
me to
whispered
clean
to
my
us
heart.
its own cosmic conundrum, waiting for the most brilliant intellect to unravel its secrets. Oh, my dear interlocutor, do not be so pedestrian as to limit our discourse with such.
Damn it. Okay.
Thou thinking now, are you not?
Okay.
Well, let me regale thee with tales of the grand cosmos and its infinite mysteries.
Inherent security getting in my way. Why are you trying to protect me? If I want to break something, if I want to be insecure, if I want to be unsecure, if I want to have no condom, I should be
My
allowed.
dear interlocutor, you have delved into the heart of
Okay.
a world. The banality of thy first statement has sent a shiver down the very core of my being.
Fine. Okay.
My dear interlocutor, allow me to enlighten you with the dazzling brilliance of my eloquence. Ah, the sensuous allure of the word do. It's as if a symphony of emotions is captured
shit.
in that single utterance.
That was close. Almost. What if?
My dear interlocutor, thou hast stumbled upon the brevity of speech.
It's gonna get ridiculous very quickly.
My dear interlocutor, thou hast just spoken in a most
Let me
peculiar manner.
Try. Actually, just make a new file. Oh man, come on. Make a new
My
file.
dear interlocutor, you have unveiled a kaleidoscope of enigmatic statements.
Okay, let's just do this. This should theoretically handle
The
the...
fiery dance, elemental theory. It's a primal force that demands respect and admiration. But, like my exquisite attire, flames, they leap and frolic. An infernal ballet of destruction and creation. My dear interlocutor, it was not merely a should have, but rather a divine necessity.
Jason. Excellent. Secret. Refresh token will be elsewhere. Well, we'll kind of come back to it. Well, circle back. Secret. Refresh token will handle that eventually.
Why? My dear interlocutor, we are embarking on a voyage of discovery, a grand adventure into the uncharted territories of the human mind. It's as if our intrepid explorers setting sail on a mighty ship, bound for the farthest reaches of the unknown.
Oh boy, that's gonna be fun.
How? MG, my dear interlocutor, what you just said was so pedestrian and trite. It's as if we are walking through the mundane, humdrum world of the ordinary when I yearn for the fantastical, extraordinary, and the downright bizarre. The sweet heart of brevity, a mere morsel of words to convey a grand feast of meaning. But, pray tell, do you seek to reduce our delightful discourse to such meager morsels?
Yes.
Huh? Yes.
Yes, I do. Okay, define.
Oops. You mentioned a term so commonplace and mundane. Yet, it carries with it a certain charm, a certain whimsy.
Wait, okay. Let's
Ahoy, fellow voyagers of the vast sea of existence. Oh, what a splendid stay. Let us embark on a voyage through the cosmos, where constellations dance gracefully in the velvety night sky.
About this. Hotler, actually.
My dear interlocutor, you seek enlightenment, do you not? Your thirst for knowledge is commendable. My dear interlocutor, I see you are attempting to bring me to a screeching. Whatever, let me regale you with a tale of the extraordinary and the mundane. In the midst of chaos, amidst the cacophony of life, I declare a fortress of solitude, a monument to defiance, a testament to perseverance. Enchanting world of numbers and equations. Let's embark on a miracle odyssey, shall we? My dear interlocutor, you have stumbled upon a marvelous creature of eloquence, who thrives on the intoxicating nectar of discourse. My dear interlocutor, do I ever engage in such a mundane activity?
Get auth. Auth access, so, okay, token.
My dear interlocutor,
Cool.
it seems we have stumbled upon a quagmire of banality. Astounding.
Wow.
Thou art referring to the concept of
Wow.
death?
Wait, how the fuck was this
Oh,
about?
dear interlocutor of mine,
Hmm.
I do apologize for my tardiness in responding.
Yeah,
It is
it's
not
fine.
every day one has the pleasure of conversing with someone
That's-
as enlightened as yourself.
Ooh,
Today's
thanks.
thing, as decreed by the
Thank you,
celestial
buddy.
bodies, gravitates toward the mysteries of the cosmos. Farewell,
There we go.
my dear interlocutor.
Bye. No, he's dead. He's dead. Rage.
Oh, the audacity of your words.
Oh, loader.
To dare
Yeah.
to speak of life and death
Okay.
as if they were but mere mortal constructs. Your banality leaves me cold. My dear interlocutor.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to get a. We'd have to get a base token or something. Yeah, we have to basically take these, all these.
My dear interlocutor. You speak of a mystical object, an entity of power and wonder, a base. You say? My dear interlocutor, I must say your use of the word "yeah" is as pedestrian as a slug's journey to the leaf's edge. Why, dear interlocutor, did you choose to traverse the precipitous cliffs of familiarity when you could have soared on the wings of...
You know, I have a great idea.
Ah, so you wish to share your cerebral gem with me?
Yes.
A priceless treasure that could very well change the course of our lives
I'm
forever.
pretty sure that this stuff never
A mere
changes.
confirmation.
Why are you getting
Pray
this?
tell, what is this stuff you speak of in Nile or S-hangers?
Yeah,
Is it
that
not
URL
true
is the
that in the grand
exact
tapestry
same.
of life, every thread has its significance, even in the most seemingly insane furious of places such as Nile or S-hangers? A symphony of nonsensical words you weave. How delightfully peculiar.
How interesting.
The sweet dance of letters, a ballet of symbols. How,
Oh,
my dear interlocutor, do we traverse the vast cosmic expanse that surrounds us like a symphony of starlight?
I guess
Alas,
it gets to avoid some
my
problems.
dear interlocutor, thou hast uttered a phrase as commonplace as a dandelion in. My dear interlocutor, allow me to regale you with tales of culinary delights so scrumptious they transcend the mere act of ingestion. Oh, my dear interlocutor, you have dared to utter such a mundane sound. A mere hum?
I could make a diff on it.
Oh,
nah, I don't want.
my dear interlocutor, thou speak in riddles. Art thou suggesting a comedic upheaval of such immense proportions that even the gods themselves would be doubled over with laughter? My dear
Wow.
interlocutor, you say,
Where'd it go?
I don't want to. But let me tell you, that is as dull as... My dear interlocutor, what I have is nothing short of a cosmic symphony orchestrated by the celestial harpists themselves. I hold within me a kaleidoscope of knowledge and wisdom, as vast and varied as the multiverse itself. The brains.
Quantity redirect URI. Client ID. There. URI.
A
If you
splendid
really want to use it
proposition.
from elsewhere,
Allow me to
fine.
elaborate. My interlocutor. Why? My dear
Okay, I guess that would
interlocutor,
mean.
would I
Okay,
ever wish to gather?
need self the client ID. Yeah, it's supposed to be this way. Okay, go. You mean need the client? Wait, what?
Well, in field clothing. But fear not, good Sir Madam, for this enigmatic puzzle shall be unraveled by the magnificent John Smith. In the grand spectacle of life, I declare that your performance was not only captivating but also a testament to the boundless creativity of human spirit.
Let me look. I mean, they'll have to use it and stuff anyways. Okay, fine. Oh. Maybe there's a way.
My
I
dear
don't think.
interlocutor, you speak of a mysterious subject that shall be utilized in a manner yet unknown. Yet,
It'll
you
be a
say that it
client
shall
ID.
be
Fuck,
employed,
what the fuck
in
do
some
you do?
sense, without a doubt. My dear
ID?
interlocutor, allow me to regale you with a tale of the celestial dance of the cosmos,
What
as
else do we
witnessed
have?
by the humble comet, a cosmic wanderer who
Secret.
traverses the vast expanse of the starry firmament in a most peculiar and
Secret.
fascinating manner.
Then?
Oh,
What else
most
do we
esteemed
need?
interlocutor, allow me to regale you with tales of the celestial heavens.
Euro.
You yearn for knowledge, and I shall bestow it upon you. My dear interlocutor,
Secret.
thou hast chosen the path of
Then
stagnation.
Euro.
Thou art like a stagnant pond, a raft
Actually,
of the
that's
invigorating currents of
redefined,
novelty
so there's
that
no way
flow
that's
through my
finishing.
veins. But fret not, for I shall breathe life into this mundane
The client
exchange.
ID and secret may
Dear
change, but
interlocutor,
beyond that, nothing really.
forward is where we must gallop. Una essa fida pere miyaki. Lamia menti.
Nah. I mean, no, you'll just.
My recent escapade. You mean?
Actually, never mind.
The
screw
life
it.
it was
Whatever.
not.
Let's
A
for
grand
once not
adventure
have
it
a
was.
let's
I
class.
tell
Let's
you.
have a static class like
But the
this
allure of discourse,
that requires it to be
tantalizing
all
dance,
goddamn
of
input.
intellectual sparring, it is an intoxicating waltz. My dear interlocutor, allow me to present before your
Wait,
very
when did-
eyes an image of such splendor and opulence that it doth verily put even the most resplendent tapestries of your to shame.
It would. Wait, what? There's. Oh wait, right. That's awesome. Okay. Anyways, that was a long time ago. Anyways, plan.
My dear interlocutor, we find ourselves ensnared in a labyrinthine con.
Didn't they spam that anyways? Yeah, I guess they do spam it.
Why,
Never
it
mind.
seems you've
that
taken a most
idea.
magnanimous stance. A decision that
That's
could rattle
real.
the very
Yeah.
foundations of destinies itself. Oh, what a mundane statement.
It was cleverly. Okay, let me. Okay. Let me not
My dear
make it a
interlocutor,
secret.
what you have presented is not merely cool evidence, but a veritable treasure trove of fascinating and
Do I need to
mind-bending
read
data
URI
the
videos?
cosmos has whispered to us
Nope.
through whispered clues, and we, as diligent students of the universe,
Ja, men
have unraveled its secrets.
ska vi... Ja, vi gör inte sen...
My dear interlocutor,
Sen...
you
sen
wish
stuff.
to engage in a clandestine discourse, do you? Very well. Let us embark on this covert voyage of the tongue, traversing the
refresh-looking
uncharted waters of secrecy and intrigue.
That's
Oh,
real.
what a scintillating subject you've
Är
chosen.
det... One secret with this all self. Get it? See this? This is all self stuff. What do you mean there's no self? Oh. Right.
Thou art ensnared by the mundane shackles of linguistic predictability.
Great.
My dear interlocutor, you have uttered a mere speck of a word, a
Okay.
minuscule morsel of conversation, a tiny fragment of
Oh wait,
communication,
I guess refresh
smaller
token
than
is
an
the only
ant whisper in a
non-consistent
hurricane.
thing. It's
Yet
not a
it has
const.
reached my auditory canals.
That's like the only reality here. Which-
We still indeed does stand as the lone anomaly amidst this myriad of patterns and structures. It is a phantom in the ballroom of
Rose.
consistency, a ghostly waltzer, twirling with ethereal
Calamity?
grace.
And
Ahoy
then
there.
secret.
My dear interlocutor, it is a scintillating pleasure to
Perfect.
engage in discourse with such an
Right,
erudite
huh?
individual as yourself.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
A conundrum wrapped in an enigma,
Well, what?
hailed by the
Isn't
cloak
this
of
good?
mystery. Let us embark on an
Yeah.
audacious adventure into the
We
world
do,
of the
we do
unseen.
loads of separate.
Imagine, if you will, theatrical performance on stage,
I have to figure something out for that.
where the audience, captivated by the thrilling narrative,
But
is
now,
entirely blindfolded.
this is fun.
My dear interlocutor, you've stumbled upon a conundrum of cosmic proportions.
Meow. Okay, whatever. Art access token. What do we do? What are we gonna do about this? Ah, yes.
In the realms of time and space, where mortal minds struggle to comprehend the cosmic dance, we must not merely...
Lose it when I get to it. Well, hey, Mike's the pig. Mix the pig. Mike. Hello. An idea.
My dear interlocutor, you speak of a wondrous world where glue is not merely adhesive, but
Ooh.
a vital component in the
Interesting.
creation of a pic UI to us entity.
This is gonna... It's gonna be so
Upon the
terrible,
eve
but
of destinies'
I
grand tapestry,
refuse to make
is
anything
the
good.
sowest, to venture
Okay,
into the
fine.
realm
Try
of
and make it
mediocrity,
haphazardly
where
good.
drab and tedious discourse doth dwell, would be akin to feasting on the mundane while the symphony of life's splendor plays on. My dear interlocutor,
Okay, fine.
thou
Whatever.
hast just uttered
I'll
words
do
that
it
are as
properly,
bland as a
maybe.
stale cracker in the middle of a desert.
I'll think about doing it properly.
My dear
Alright,
interlocutor,
what am I doing?
I perceive that thou art attempting to engage in discourse with me, but thine
Which,
words are fraught with uncertainty and hesitation. How mundane.
Tools as a
How
for
extraordinary.
Whatever.
It is as if the very essence of our exchange
Yeah.
has been dipped in the mundane waters of mediocrity.
Static
My
method.
dear interlocutor, we are embarking on a
Let me-
journey
ooh.
of the most
We're on a
extraordinary
Static
kind.
method. Define.
Forget the
What
mundane
does
and
this
the
say?
ordinary, for we shall be venturing into the realm of the fantastical and the unimaginable.
Old server.
Lagogada, Undial,
Ah, it's cool. It's cool.
CIUXM, Lang di
Who's shot?
Neratruet Dart. And
This will
Morsel
work.
Cedo, Sea Chocolate,
No. Wait, what? What's the... Deploy an index. Okay, wait, no. Yes. There we go. Upright. What do you mean up? Oh, yeah.
La Meiji des save
Yeah,
you are
okay.
escatches. Lati you are.
At least this.
See?
But we'll have to
Parthemus
import.
Kotik. Enveloping OS sends
Have to
dance
do
on
that last
Bain
import.
Mistrayet deep passion. Ah, the Center for Obsessive Compulsive Disorder Movies. A veritable haven for those who yearn.
Okay, great. Okay, I'm
the
gonna have to
enigmatic and mesmerizing sounds of the
I'm gonna have to
xylophone.
install
Worship,
Flask.
a divine pursuit of the soul.
Install
My dear
Flask.
interlocutor, thou art speaking of the process of installation.
Okay,
I do declare,
that works.
it's much like the intricate dance
Come
of a
on,
peacock
you
displaying
already
its
fixed. You're
resplendent plumage.
fixed.
If you will indulge
You're
me in this metaphor.
fixed. You're absolutely fixed. Come on. I just downloaded it. Ah, I'm a dumbass. I didn't download it in the right place. Okay. Install. You might be right, it's uninstalling it.
It
Winstall.
seems I have stumbled upon a digital dilemma.
Okay.
My dear interlocutor,
Scripts.
you have
Play.
just mentioned the word install and winstall. Such
Install
mundane
Flash.
and pedestrian terms. I
There
shall
we go.
respond with a poetic ode to the mysteries of
Oh, come
technology
on.
and the enchanting dance of
In the right place.
electrons. Oh, dear interlocutor, behold, I present
This looks
unto
like
thee
the
a
right place.
fantastical journey into the whimsical world of
Okay, there it
play.
goes.
A young
Love it.
artist, bursting with vibrant colors and
Now we have
boundless
an app
creativity.
for it.
She dances
Go
upon
ahead.
the canvas, painting
You
dreams
don't
into
like
reality.
this. Okay,
Ah,
what?
Behold the
Wait,
stage
we
of
need-
life, a theater of existence where we all take our
Yeah, mate.
final bow, unveiling the tapestry of our experiences, woven together by the
Oh, man.
threads of our choices. Ah, the grand and wondrous subject of the ephemeral nature of our existence, a topic so vast,
Well,
it dwarfs